So, during its session in June, the Council had unveiled a variety of measures aimed at benefiting taxpayers, such as waiving interest and penalties on demand notice issued during the first 3 years of GST, provided that the full tax would be paid by 31st of March 2025. In today's meeting, many such agendas were discussed, and here is a summary of the same. The finance minister disclosed that the council has resolved to establish a new group of ministers focused on reducing the GST rates on medical health insurance. It will be chaired by Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar and will also include additional members for this specific purpose. The finance minister also announced that the GST rates on cancer drugs will be reduced from 12% to 5% in order to decrease the overall cost of cancer treatment. This move will benefit significantly many selected pharma companies, which will have a higher share of oncology based products. The GST on religious travel via helicopter has also been reduced from 18% to 5%, potentially leading to a reduced cost for helicopter travel to pilgrimages. Further, the Council has approved a reduction on tax for select snacks from 18% to 12%, and this significantly helps companies like Pradap Snacks and others which fall within the similar category. In meeting, the council also made a decision to exempt the import of services by foreign airline companies. Lastly, the panel discussed and determined that the renting of commercial property by unregistered person to a registered person will be subject to reverse charge mechanism, that is RCM, in order to prevent revenue leakages.